Generally, we have the most common type, which is the functional cyst, but we also have some less frequent types of cysts that can also affect us. First, we have the serous cystadenoma. This is a cyst that is filled with a clear liquid, and it's quite large in shape and size. Then we have mucinous cystadenoma. This is a cyst filled with a bluish-gray liquid. It's round, smooth on the outside, and pretty large in size. They do appear to be round. Then we have endothelioma. These are formed by the endometriosis tissue. They are usually cysts filled with dark chocolate liquid, and they are from the endometriosis tissue cells. And lastly, we have the dermoid cyst. These cysts are from germ cells that can be a malignant tumor. So the most important thing we have to take into account is that we have to get our checkups regularly, go to the gynecologist so they can diagnose and pick up on any cysts we may have.